1. Hook the hidden fear behind high BOP. Start by connecting emotionally. How high blood pressure sneaks up on people, causes fatigue, headaches, and heart strain, yet most never feel it coming. Ray hook with, but what if I told you your kitchen might hold the key to unlocking lower BP naturally? 2. Pain point the pill trap. Discuss how most people end up on multiple medications, leading to side effects like dizziness, fatigue, or swelling, and how this cycle feels never-ending. Ray hook. That's why millions are now turning to natural, evidence-backed alternatives. 3. The natural secret nutrients that heal. Introduce the concept. Certain fruits and vegetables like beets, celery, and leafy greens release nitric oxide, helping arteries relax and blood flow improve naturally. Ray hook with curiosity. And the best part? These aren't exotic superfoods, they're right in your fridge. 4. The Game Changer Foods. Briefly highlight 3-5 powerful foods. Beetroot boosts nitric oxide. Celery rich in phthalates that relax blood vessels. Garlic natural vasodilatation. Or kale magnesium packed for heart calmness. Bananas potassium to balance sodium. Ray hook. Eat these consistently, and your doctor might just be surprised at your next BP reading. 5. The warnings when natural doesn't mean safe. Caution about overdoing. For example, too much beet juice or potassium can be harmful if kidneys are weak. Build trust. Natural doesn't mean careless, you need to do it right. 6. The morning habit that changes everything. Reveal a simple daily habit: a glass of beet celery juice, a walk, and a salt cut down routine. Ray hook. In just 10 days, you'll feel the difference: lighter, calmer, and clearer. 7. Conclusion. Hope and empowerment. Close with reassurance. Your heart isn't asking for more pills, it's asking for better care. And it starts with what's on your plate.